exercise first A we were doing, and this is the question number 12. The question is, a cloud is at the height of 5000 मीटर above the sea level. एक जो क्लाउड है वो सी लेवल से 5000 मीटर above है. Suppose this is the sea level and if this is the cloud and it is 5000 meter above the sea level. Okay, and at a particular point it is exactly above a submarine which is floating 3400 meter below the sea level. और किसी पॉइंट पे ये एक सबमरीन जो कि सी लेवल से कितना नीचे है 3400 meter below the sea level. It is just at the point, it is exactly above this submarine. Understand? So, what is the vertical distance between them? तो इनके बीच का vertical distance कितना होगा? Means total distance from here to here. So, distance of cloud from sea level, that is 5000 meter, and distance of submarine from sea level, that is 3400 meter. So total distance we have to find. Total distance would be equal to 5000 plus 3400. That means 8400 meters. Understood, everybody? So how to find the total distance between this and this? This plus this. Okay? And if we take into the form of integers, and this is 5000, this is minus 3400, and what is the difference? Means 5000 minus and bracket minus 3400, ultimately it would be positive. So 5000 plus 3400, that means 8400. Okay. Now next, this exercise has been finished. Now next exercise we will start, and before that we have to see some properties of integers. Okay. So now students, we will start exercise first B. Question number first is, write down a pair of integers whose sum is, whose difference is 5. Whose difference is 5. Means we have to choose two integers whose difference is 5. Understood? So two integers whose difference means minus these two integers, and our answer should come 5. Okay. So any examples, any integers you can take. Suppose I am taking 15 minus 10. So two integers are 15 minus 10. You can say two integers are a and a minus b. Let two integers are a and b. दो इंटीजर हमने मान लिए a and b और इसका डिफरेंस क्या आना चाहिए 5. So let a is equals to 15 and b is equals to 10. So 15 minus 10, that means 5. Correct? So two integers are 15 and 10. Another example also you can take. Suppose I am taking a is equals to 17 and minus and b integer I am taking 12. So a minus b means 17 minus 12, that is equals to 5. Okay, so what are the two pairs of integers? One is 15 and 10 and second is 17 and 12. So this is your answer. Understood everybody? Second, two integers whose sum is 5. Whose sum is 5 means a plus b is equal to 5. Two integers we have to take. So once I will take both integer positive. Suppose I am taking one integer a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2. So a plus b is equals to 3 plus 2 and that is equals to 5. Now one negative integer also we can take. Suppose I am taking minus 2 and b value we are taking suppose one positive integer, suppose 7. Okay. So if we add these both integers, then what should come? A plus b. A plus b. A means minus 2 plus b means 7. So always we do like this. Positive integer we write first. So 7 minus 2, that means 5. So our pair of integer, one is both positive 3 and 2 and second pair of integers are minus 2 and 7. This is our answer. Okay. Now third one, difference is minus 7. Difference is minus 7. Means we have to take two integers a and b and whose difference means a minus b. That answer should come minus 7. Okay. So look at here, two integers we can take. Suppose a I am taking 2 and b I am taking 9. Both are positive integers we are taking. So a minus b means 2 minus 9. Okay. So always we know that whenever we subtract bigger number from the smaller one, then minus sign comes. हम जानते हैं हमेशा कि अगर हम छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमेशा क्या आता है माइनस, एंड आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन 9 minus 2 what will come? 7, minus 7. Understood everybody? So two integers we have taken, both are positive, one is 2 and one is 9. Okay. So now one positive and one negative we will have to take. Now a is equals to minus 3 and b is equals to, we have to take plus 4. So one is negative, one is positive. So we have to put the value 1 minus b is equals to minus 3 minus b means 4. So that means now both are negative. Both are negative. So I have told already, when both are negative, then minus sign will come and addition will happen. So 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. So in both our answer has come minus 7. So pair of integers are positive, positive means 2 and 9, and negative, positive, that is minus 3 and 4. Understood? Now suppose there is a confusion that which integer we will have to take. So if you don't know, then directly by one integer you can find the value of other. Okay, अगर आपको नहीं पता कि कौन कौन से इंटीजर लेने हैं, तो आप एक काम कीजिए, एक इंटीजर ले लीजिए, दूसरा अपने आप आएगा. दैट आई विल टेल यू. ओके, लुक एट हियर. जैसे सपोज I have taken only a value 2 I have taken, but I don't know what is the value of b value I don't know. So what we have to do, a minus b is equals to हमें चाहिए minus 7. ओके, तो a वैल्यू हमारे पास है तो हमने रख दी 2. ओके, माइनस b इज इक्वल टू माइनस 7. ठीक, इस इक्वेशन में हमने a की वैल्यू रख दी. ओके, अब क्या होगा, बाय ट्रांसपोजिंग माइनस 3 विल गो दैट साइड. ओके, सो 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 7 प्लस b. ओके, and minus 7 by transposing it will go there. So 2 minus 7 will go that side and it will convert into plus 7. So 7 plus 2, 9. So b is equals to 9. Okay. Another second also you can see, when we have taken minus 3 as the first integer. So this also you can see. Suppose one integer I have taken minus 3 and b I don't know that what is the integer. Okay, so now look at here, a minus b is equal to, we require minus 7. Now suppose a value we have taken minus 3, a value we have taken minus 3, minus b is equal to minus 7. Okay, so minus b by transposing it will move right hand side. So minus 3 minus b उधर जाके प्लस हो जाएगा, तो minus 7 plus b. अब minus 7 will move on left hand side by transposing, then it will convert into plus. So 7 minus 3 is equals to b. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So b value is 4. Understand? So this type also you can find the unknown value. Okay, unknown value you can find like this by solving the equation. Okay. Now the last part, B. Sum is minus 6. Okay, we have to find the sum minus 6. So look at here, a plus b is equals to minus 6 we want. Okay, let two integers are a and b. So a value we have to take, a value suppose we take 3. Okay, a value we have taken 3. Now another value we don't know. So what we have to do? Put the value of a as a 3 plus b is equal to minus 6. Now by transposing, plus 3 will move right hand side. So b is equal to minus 6 plus 3 will go and it will convert into minus 3. So both are negative. When both are negative, then minus sign will come, है ना, and addition happen. So 6 plus 3 9. ये बताया गया आपको कि अगर दोनों नेगेटिव में होते हैं तो माइनस साइन आता है और इन दोनों का क्या हो जाता है, एडिशन हो जाता है. तो 6 plus 3 9. तो b वैल्यू हमारी क्या आ गई, -9. तो a is equal to 3 and b is equal to -9. Now if you want to verify also, आपको पता लगाना है सही है या नहीं है, तो आपको क्या करना है, इन दोनों को ऐड करके देख लो, a और b को. मींस a plus b is equal to a की जगह क्या रखो, 3 रखो, प्लस b की जगह -9. नाउ 3 पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव, ठीक है, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. अब we are subtracting bigger number from smaller number. छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो क्या होता है, माइनस साइन विल कम एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन विल हैपन. 9 minus 3 6. So it is verified also. Okay, verified also. So this type you can solve, and if directly you can do this, then it is better. If directly you can find answer, you can find directly, no problem. But if you want accurate answer, then one value you can take, and then after, if you know how to solve the equation, then you can solve this type also. And if directly you want to find, then you can find directly also. Understood everybody? So now some questions I am giving for homework related to this question. Okay, the question is saying, write down a pair of integer whose difference is 10, whose sum is -3, difference is -11, and sum is 23. So this is your homework to solve this question. Write down a pair of integers whose difference is 10, sum is -3, difference is -11 and sum is 23. यानी वो दो इंटीजर बताने हैं जिसका डिफरेंस 10 है, जिसका सम -3 है, जिसका डिफरेंस -11 है और जिसका सम 23.